Good morning, guys. I have a Diara today, and she well deserved today lesson. She passed with only 2 minor mistakes. How you get experience with CDI, please? Can you explain?
Yes, so I found the experience with Asif amazing. He's a very good teacher, very clear. He knows Cambridge very well and corrects my mistakes until, I start to think of correcting them myself, which is what I did to pass. And he's very calm, respectful, very, very, very good with teaching driving, so very happy.
Even she is not from local. She come from Saffron Walden, and we did almost 5 lessons, I believe.
5 lessons, and he taught me all the routes and very, very clear. There was a lot to learn, but he did it very well.
Thank you so much. Very kind of you, and you deserve this lessons. And have a safe journey.
Thank you.
Take care. Bye bye.